This is number 2 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says the graph of an exponential function is shown on the grid. Which statement is best represented by the graph of the function? So let's just walk through each answer choice. Letter A says the equation of the asymptote of the graph is x equals 4. So let's draw a line going through x equals 4. So we have that vertical line, and that does not look like that's an asymptote for this graph. So we're going to mark out letter A. Letter B says the function is increasing on the interval x is greater than 0 and decreasing on the interval x is less than 0. So let's look at our function. As we move from left to right, our graph or our function is decreasing no matter what interval we're on. Okay, so exponential functions like this are always decreasing. So letter B is not going to be correct. Letter C says the x-intercept of the graph of the function is 8, 0, and that's not going to be true because we don't have any x-intercepts. This graph is never going to touch the x-axis. So we're going to mark out letter C. And then letter D says the y-intercept of the graph of the function is 0, 3. And if we look, we do have a y-intercept at 0, 3. Our y-intercept is just positive 3. So that one is going to check out, and so we're going to go with letter D. If you're struggling in Algebra 1 or you're just preparing for the Algebra 1 EOC, I want to invite you to try out my platform that I designed for students and parents that need extra help with Algebra 1. You'll get access to every single lesson you'll ever need for Algebra 1, almost 1,000 practice problems with explanations that you can go through, and you can compete with everybody else on the platform to see who can earn the most points from completing lessons and quizzes. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description.